Hey babes, what's up? It's your girl Jamie here, and today we are back with drinking 1 gallon of water a day for 1 week. This week is a little different though. Last time I was very lax with it. I just wanted to try drinking a gallon of water, and that was fun and all, but this time I actually want to show you guys what the power of water can do for you, and also a healthy lifestyle, because let's be honest, drinking a gallon of water every day might not be feasible for everyone for every single day of their lives, but adding drinking water along with a healthy lifestyle can really make some big changes. So what I'm going to be doing is, of course, drinking that gallon of water every single day this week. I will be working out about 5 days this week, and I will be eating to my calorie deficit. I will be tracking my calories on the LifeSum app. So that's how I'm going to be doing it. I will put the calorie counts for any meals that I show you guys. I will link any workout videos I do, anything fun like that. It's all going to be linked down below for you guys, because this is more of a vlog. I show you how to do my hair, show you how to do my makeup. I just wanted this to be a more chill, fun video for you guys. So let's get into it. Okay, honestly guys, my room is a mess, and we're just gonna pretend we don't see it, but it is 4 o'clock and I wanted to update you. I have roughly 84 ounces to go, so you know, she's chug-a-lugging along, but I'm also getting kind of hungry even with all the water, so I'm gonna make a snack. But I wanted to do an unboxing really quick for you guys because I got some stuff off Amazon and I thought I would just toss it into this video. I really love this vlog style now that I got my new camera finally, you know, from whoever at FedEx tried to steal it. Really happy I got it. So, ooh, oh my god, nose. Wait, what is this? Yes, I forgot about that. Okay, so we're gonna open this one first. Ooh, this is gonna be so cute. So I ordered this cute little eyelash case because I am always losing my eyelashes when I wear them, but I do like take them off and reuse them if I can find them, right? I think it's like super wasteful to get a new set of lashes every single time you're putting them on. To be honest, you don't need to do that. You can reuse them, you can clean them and stuff and get quite a few wears out of them. So, let's see. Ooh, cute. I'm happy I got it in white. This is adorbs. It's like this little case. Wow, it's gonna be perfect for travel. So it's this little case. It's got a mirror and the rose, right? But then she said, Papa, this is gonna be so good for traveling and doing my makeup. And you can also turn the light on and it will light up for you. So I just thought this was so perfect. I gotta get batteries for it. I think it takes like little disc ones because Yeah, they don't come with the batteries, but definitely a worthwhile purchase. All the stuff is going to be linked down below. I'm super excited to bust this out. I'm also no, I carry kind of a little purse, but I would love to actually pop this in a purse. This is so perfect for like weekend trips. I will say though, I'm a little disappointed. The insert here literally just feels like the cheap plastic that comes inside any type of eyelash that you buy at the store. So just, you know, keep that in mind. And it's got like little smudgies on it. I'm gonna like sanitize this before I put lashes in it. Okay, the next thing I got, because I literally think I'm a nail tech now, is this crystal to mix my colors on. I just thought it was so cute. Since I think I'm a nail tech ever since I did these nails, the tutorial will be linked. Yeah, I just think I'm a nail tech now, so I got this little palette for myself, and I got 2 boxes of colors. She's like a nail channel. Yeah, guys, I just am obsessed with nail art now. So, whoa. Okay, this is actually so sick. They come like this. Ooh, these are super cute. Oh my god, I cannot wait to bust this open later. Okay, so I got 1 box. I'll insert pictures of it because you guys are not going to want to sit here and actually go through each one with me. So yeah, here's 1 box. And I got a 2nd box with a ton of different colors. So yeah, this is so awesome. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Ooh, okay. I'm going to go have so much fun unpacking all of this. And I'll see you guys later when I make a little snack. Alright, sorry if you guys can hear my fan or if I sound weird because I'm behind the camera, but here is where we're at water-wise. Just under 56 ounces, and I got mod pizza for dinner. Looks delicious. That's what I'm having. Fits my calories. The total calories and what I order will be on the screen. So yeah, duh freaking delicious. I love this so much. And I cannot wait to eat. It's like 6 o'clock, so I'm still in my intermittent fasting window. Good morning. Pretty boys. Good morning. Okay, so it's the end of the day 2. You guys saw my little snack. I finished at like, I want to say 9:30-ish. And I just showed you my little snack, but really I didn't eat that much today. I had like some pasta salad for lunch. And then for dinner, I had salmon spring rolls and some spam masubis that I made for me and my boyfriend. And then you guys saw my little strawberries. And I tried to make friggin' Nutella like as the chocolate, and it just did not work out for me because I added a little bit of water to make it a little runnier just so I could hit my calories, and I ended up being like almost 200 calories under. You guys will see on the screen, but like almost 200 calories under today, but I did finish my water. Tomorrow I'm starting the workout challenge I'm going to be doing for the week, so make sure you click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, because next week on Wednesday we will have more weight loss videos for you guys. Weight loss Wednesdays are back on this channel, so every Wednesday there will be some kind of weight loss video. I love these videos. They are near and dear to my heart because it's really something I'm doing with my life and I want to share it with you guys, and having this new camera makes it so easy to vlog. So yeah, super excited to show it to you guys. And you don't get any sneak peeks in this video. Okay, maybe a little sneak peek. Maybe I'll just get like a little one. But it's like 11 o'clock, so I'm going to get my little booty to bed. Maybe another night this week I will show you guys my skincare routine. Yeah, maybe tomorrow night I'll show you my skincare routine and we'll go from there. But good night, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Okay guys, what's up? It's like 10:15. I am uploading my video for tomorrow, so I will see you on Wednesday. This actually comes out after, so you guys are going to see that video. Go watch my keratin treatment if you haven't seen it already, and comment down below that you watched it, and I will show your comment some extra love. So I have finished my water. She's empty. Ding 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 ding. She's empty. Wasn't too bad to drink today. Whoa, she's loud. Wasn't too bad to drink today, to be honest. I will say though that on the third day is when you get into the thick of it and you start going to the restroom a lot more. And I don't mean like number one, honey bunny. So yeah, that starts happening on day 3, I feel like, and I feel good. I feel light as a feather. Okay, like I'm feeling good. I'm feeling good. But if this is happening to you, just know that that's like normal with this challenge. And if you're doing this challenge with me, or if you plan to start doing this challenge, leave me comments down below telling me how it's going. I will show your comment extra love. I will comment back to you. I will ask you how it's going. Girl, we are on a squad together. And follow me on Instagram if you want to DM and chat about our little weight loss challenge journey. In June, I'm doing a whole month of weight loss challenges, so I wanted to make a little group chat on Instagram. So if you guys are interested in that, go follow me on Instagram and comment on one of my pics that you want to be in the group chat, and I will add you to it when I start it. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go shower and enjoy my evening. So good night. Okay guys, ignore my messy desk. I just wanted to show you what I'm having for my snack. As you guys know, I'm not really eating breakfast, so this is kind of like, I already had lunch earlier, but this is, I guess you could say, like second lunch. And sometimes I like to make these little, I guess you could call it a charcuterie board, but like not really. So I'll take like nuts, I'll make little sandwiches. Inside I have like a big hunk of feta and some pepper jelly with salami, some olives, strawberries, and blueberries, and of course a little dark chocolate square. And then I will make myself a matcha, and I will chill out, watch a video, and then start editing a YouTube video while I have the snack, so I can kind of graze, and it's nothing too messy or too hard to eat. Hi babes. Okay, it's me popping in to end the video. I felt like it was a little redundant to keep filming days 5, 6, and 7 because I eat kind of the same meals and I was just drinking a gallon of water. So I wanted to give you guys a general idea. If you want to fool what I eat in a day, then make sure you click that subscribe button because it is coming very, very soon. But I wanted to tell you guys, at the end of the day, I didn't want to focus on the weight loss for this video, but I did lose 10 pounds in 1 week. So I wanted to save telling you guys that until the end because I do feel like a lot of people do these challenges and think that the weight is permanent. That weight loss is not permanent, guys. You are basically like cleansing out your body. So I lost 10 pounds in that week, and now it is a second week later. So it's been a week since I did that challenge. I didn't gain any of the weight back, but that's also because I've been eating to my calorie deficit. That's it. So it's not like this week, now that I'm eating in a calorie deficit, I'm going to lose another 10 pounds. I lost 2 pounds like I would normally eating to my calorie deficit. So I want you guys to know, like, drinking a gallon of water a day, like, the results will wean, right? It'll change depending on your body. And I really wanted this video to more so be giving you guys just ideas of what you could eat, healthy meals, along with drinking a gallon of water a day, and give you guys more ideas of how to keep yourself hydrated, healthy, and full. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating this. Let me know if you guys like the new editing style and like the vloggy style videos. I really want Weight Loss Wednesdays to be more personal and like intimate in this vloggy kind of way. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.